list comprehensions in Python. List comprehensions, it shorthands the list creating for loop in the form of a single statements. Means it combines various list creating statements in one single statements. So in order to explain this concept, let us take one example. Suppose we are having a list A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These values are there in the list, and we have to create another list B equal to, it is having values like this 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. This list we have to create. Okay, so you see the element of list B is exactly double of the corresponding element of list A. So first of all, uh, let us see append method. So append method, as you know, append method is used to add one element to a list. So suppose we are having a list B, empty list it is, and we want to add some element, so we can use append method. So B dot append, and suppose you want to add 2, then B dot append, and you want to add, suppose this time you want to add 5, and now let us print this, print B. So you see 2 and 5 have been added to this list. So using append and for loop together, we can create this list from this list. Okay, so let us do that. Let us combine for loop and append. So for that, let me remove these two lines. Okay, and we will create that list. So here we will write for x in A. For x in A, what we have to do, we have to append B dot append, and what we need to append, double of x. So 2 dot x, 2 dot x, 2 asterisk x, that we need to append. Okay, then print this. So now let us run this. So you see we have got this one. So this is how we can use append method using for loop, and we can create list. But here we are going to discuss list comprehension. So let us see how it can be, these three statements can be combined together. These three statements can be combined together to create this list. Okay, so here let us create another list C, and it can be created very easily like this. 2 into x for x in A. Very simple. All these three we have combined together, and list has been created. So now let us print it. Print C and run it. So you see, so here all these three statements have been combined together, and this in one statement, and we have got this. Okay, now let us take another example. Suppose we have to create a list like this. Suppose we are having a list like this, L equal to, we are having 31, then 15, then 42, then 12, then 5, 39, any value can be there, 21, then 61, then 25. These values are there. Okay, suppose from this list we want to create a list lst, and we want to pick the values from this, and only those values we want to pick which are multiple of 3. So this list will have values like this, 15, then 42, 12, then 39, then 21, then these values will be there. All the values are this divisible by 3. Okay, so this list we want to create. So it can be created using list comprehension method. So you can write, it can be done like this: lst equal to, take any variable, suppose I'm taking n, for n in L, for n in L, and 1 here condition has to be applied. Condition is what? This n must be divisible by 3. So this can be done like this. So we have done this. Now let us run this. Print lst and let's run it. See here, if is missing. So we have got this. Okay. So this is how we can use list comprehension method for creating a list. I hope you have understood and it will be useful for you. Thanks for watching.